Hello, I've got an unboxing slash review for you today of tools. It's a screwdriver set actually. Comes with 4 straight or flathead and 4 Phillips screwdrivers. It's from a company called Buck, I think, or Buke, Bukke. It is $14.95 on Amazon right now, prime shipping. It is Buck screwdriver set, magnetic, with 4 straight flathead and 4 Phillips screwdrivers. Destornilladores? I don't know. Cushion grip. Anyway, so screwdrivers are, they're tools. They're important. I use them a lot for numerous things around the house and just for the car or whatever. Really, I use them all the time. But these are chrome vanadium steel, and they're magnetic tips, which are hardened, it says they're vapor blasted to minimize wear. Cushion handle, a solid, comfortable grip for more turning power and less fatigue. It comes with cabinet screwdriver, medium and flat screwdrivers, medium and small flat screwdrivers, medium and small Phillips screwdrivers, stubby flat and Phillips screwdrivers, of course. Let's check these out here. Here's a little thank you for your order thing here. I have numerous screwdrivers floating around from different companies: Cobalt, Stanley, Craftsman, all kinds of stuff. And it's always nice to have something else. But let's see here. Yeah, there's a nice thin one. I like that. There's the mate for this one. These are the thin ones, I'm guessing, which these call the cabinet screwdrivers. It says the drive has a thinner shank, which allows it to reach screws that might be in a hole without damaging any surrounding wood. And as you can see, they're straight in Phillips, whatever, flat in Phillips. We got our little stubby guys here. These are 3 3/4 inches. Overall. But here's the other ones here. These are the large ones, or medium, and I guess that would be small. I don't know. 6-inch shaft, 4-inch shaft, 3-inch shaft, 1 9/16 inch is the stubby, of course. These do have the name. You can barely see it there. The Buke name. And here's the tips. If you can see that there. There's a different coloring to them. They are hardened, supposedly, all the way through, and magnetic. You can really see it better on the Phillips. But they are magnetic. But maybe it was just the other one. Yeah, it was the other one I used. I was testing this one out. Yeah, it's I mean, they're okay, magnetic. I mean, I wouldn't mind them being a little stronger, because you see when you put it on there, it's not quite straight. The ones I have, but I have them magnetized myself, they will hold the screw, straight. That's how strong they're magnetized. But like that, basically, So then you don't have to worry about it, you can go straight in. Anyway, let's check these out here. I like the colors, actually. It's a nice color on the handle there. Nice, clear, see-through. It would be nice if these were colored, kind of like colored differently, maybe. Let me grab them here. These are Stanley. These are old. These are about 20 years old. And they're just so much easier, I think, for me to grab them, because we got green for the flathead and then orange for the Phillips. It just, I don't know. I just know by sight I can grab them. Anyway, whatever, I can mark them myself, I guess. Hit them with a little spray paint on the end or something like that. But, there's the grips. They do feel nice. A nice, steady grip there. All in all, yeah, I mean, they feel nice and sturdy. I'll tell you that much. I wouldn't try and bend this one. But these would be great for, computer work and stuff like that, even though they are magnetic. I've never had an issue with magnetic and computers, so I don't know. People say you shouldn't, but Just for the last who knows how many years I've been doing it. But anyway, H.H. Buck screwdriver set, $15. I think it's worth $15. Really, it is. It's for anything. This would make a nice a gift or something like that for you know, housewarming person. You know, someone who is getting an apartment, just starting out, or just, you know, to have around the house. Which I'm going to do. I'm going to have mine, I keep a toolbox under my desk. I'm going to throw these in there. And this way I have more of an assortment in there. I mean, I have a few in there, but, you know, whatever. H.H. Buck, $14.95 on Amazon. Decent screwdriver set for the price, really. Thanks.